Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Today we're back with a wig install by NIKISS Hair on Amazon Prime, you guys. Yes, I'll be having the links in the description. So we're going to be going in with the Ebens lace glue. Like, this is clear glue, and I really love this glue because it's not going to leave that white residue. Now, this is the hair, you guys. Okay, like, let's get into this curly bob lace wig. Okay, baby, the hair is fire. Like, I love this hair. I'm thinking about reinstalling it too. So now we're just gonna tint the lace because it didn't come, our original skin tone color, but that's okay. We're just gonna put some foundation, some darker foundation on it, so it could be our natural skin tone, looking like skin coming out the very much roots. Okay, like, let's not play with the scalp, because we got to give scalp every time we put this wig on, and that's on period. So we just gonna dust that on, and yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. We're almost to 1K, you guys. Y'all know I love y'all. I have been absent, but I'm back. 2023 is me and y'all forever. We locked in. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. So now we just gonna put this wig. Oh, there I go. I'm gonna leave that part in because I just want y'all to get the real deal. Because it's hard to put the wig on, and then sometimes I be putting the glue around my perimeter of my scalp. So with this wig, I feel like you gotta really adjust it because my head was way too big, I feel like, and I ripped the wig a little bit because my head is so gigantic, you guys. So the wig ripped a little bit, it split a little bit. I tried to get it as flat as possible. You see how it's not fitting each corners. But we're going to get this wig to lay down, okay? And I'm not going to tell y'all again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And let me show y'all how to get this wig look like it's coming from out the roots. So yeah, so just continue to watch this video, and I'm gonna show you how you really make this wig look realistic. Okay, so we're gonna tie that down with our elastic band thing. I got this from Shein for $1. So we're going to tie that. We're going to let that dry for like 30-20 minutes. I usually go walk around, do what I have to do, then come back, and we're going to give scalp. Okay, so now it's been 15 to 20 minutes, and look at this, y'all. Look at the edges. Oh my God. It's looking so good. Look at that. It's looking like baby hairs, everything just swarming around already. Like, oh my God. So I don't know why I always wait till the last minute to cut this part. We're just gonna cut this part and cut it very carefully because this could go totally wrong. Okay, it happened to me before, and I don't want that happening to you guys. Okay, so cut the lace very carefully because you could split the lace. Okay, and yeah, let's get ready to, put our baby hairs down because we have to have baby hairs. Unfortunately for this wig, it looked like you didn't have to have baby hairs, but you really did have to have baby hairs because I don't know what was going on after I cut the lace. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. This Amazon Prime wig from this NIKISS Hair, I'm absolutely loving it, how it looks on me. Basically carefully want to cut the perimeters of your hair. Just wanted to remind you guys that I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I just actually put some foundation and that was it. So the ears is always the trickiest part for me. So you just want to cut straight across. It don't matter if the hair is there or not, because what that's gonna do is cover your ear and make the wig, like, you know, look lopsided. You don't want that to happen. So even when I cut it like that, it was still too big. So yeah, I just cut it a little bit more. So this is how everything is looking. The edges, I still have a little bit of issues with the edges, but that's why the baby hairs come in part, you know, to hide the lace. To hide the lace, okay? Like, so let's get ready to pull out the baby hairs, baby. What part we want to do? Oh, I'm feeling it, like, oh my god, y'all. Mind you, I had this video for so long. I don't even have this wig on my head. So I don't even know why I'm set tripping. But this wig is making me feel like I want to put it back on or something. Okay, so it was giving scalpity dowpity. Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking about. You see, I be rambling, y'all. But let's really, you know, make this hair look realistic. We're gonna part it and we're gonna pull some baby hairs out, especially by the edges, by the ears, because that's where the lace is showing the most. So I'm just putting some leave-in conditioner from Manny Moo, and this conditioner is she's naive, so I just dab some in there because it looked like we're gonna have to be wetting this hair through the day. Okay, this is curly hair and it's short. I still see my thing right here. I'm not feeling it, but we're gonna fix this, y'all. So let's continue. My son, you see, this is why I don't talk in my videos. That's why. But be right back. Okay, you guys, so I did my baby hairs and stuff off camera because it was type hard. You still see the lace over here. I'm not really feeling that, but the hair is poofy. This right here is giving not HD. It was hard trying to get this part to really lay down. That's why I didn't record it. Excuse my son in the background. So yeah, this is it. This is it. I can't do much. I'm gonna put some makeup here. We're gonna try, but this is what we got. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.